It was a tough start to 2016 for the #1 preseason ranked EMCC Lions. The Lions were on the losing end of an upset versus Jones County in Week 1. The Lions are back to full strength in Week 2 and are looking to get win #1 at Mississippi Gulf Coast. It's a tight game early on. EMCC at the Mississippi Gulf Coast. Here's play #1. Ryan Lee gets the tip. It's picked off by Diamante Pounds. He's off to the races. He'd get tackled after a 30-yard gain. It was a tight one early on, but EMCC's defense stepped up big. Here's later on, driving into Lions territory. It's picked off by the big man, Cam Carter, with the interception, showing the big man's got hands too. That would set this one up. Defense playing big. It was a tight game in the first half. That would set up this one. FSU transfer DeAndre Johnson. He's rolling. Check out this catch by former Starkville Yellow Jacket, Raphael Leonard. Tiptoe catch. Hands go up. That's a touchdown, baby. Lions would miss the extra point. It's 7-6 until the second quarter. Johnson will find former North Pontotoc stud Brooks Shannon. Brooks knows what to do with that one. Takes it all the way to the house. Lions would convert the 2-point conversion there, and they don't look back. EMCC gets win #1. That score should be 45-7.